Welcome to another calculations video for your CeMAP 3 exam, and in this video it is a nice and easy one. We are going to figure out how do we calculate somebody's interest-only mortgage payments with the lender, with the information that we are given in a case study. I am going to start this by saying if you do this calculation a little bit different and you get to the same answer, that is absolutely fine. Every student that I work with on a one-to-one basis pretty much tends to have a slightly different way of remembering all of the calculations, and they all get there in a roundabout sort of way. So if I do this example with you and you go, Charlotte, it must just be easier to do it this way, that is absolutely cool. You work with what works with you. But for this exercise, I would like you to grab a calculator. I don't mind whether it's on your laptop, on your phone, an actual calculator, just so that you can follow the steps with me. And remember, you will get a calculator in your exam. It does also have a percentage button on there, so we are going to be grand. And you might want to download the PDF sheet that is underneath this video. It's called How to Calculate Interest Payments, because that's what we're going to be working off in this particular video. So you can all download this. And in your CeMAP 3 exam, you can expect to get a question along the lines of, Richard has been offered an interest-only mortgage with Gilmore Building Society for £265,000. This is a fixed-rate product with a 3.5% interest rate. What will his monthly mortgage payments be should he take out this deal? Now, of course, you know in your CeMAP 3 case studies, you are going to get loads of information, but your question might look like this. And remember, your question will be multiple choice. So if you can get roughly to the right figure, you're probably going to be able to pick the right number, even if the decimal point is in the wrong place. And this is the method. Step one is to put all your information together. So for this example, we need to know the mortgage balance, which is £265,000, the interest rate, which is 3.5%, and the repayment schedule. All mortgages work on the assumption that you are going to pay them every single month. So we've done step one, we've put all of our information together. Step two is to remember the calculation, which is always your mortgage balance times your annual interest rate divided by 12. The reason that we divide it by 12 is because we need to figure out the monthly payment, whereas mortgage balance times annual interest would give you the yearly interest payment. So guys, grab your calculators, and what we want to be doing is your mortgage balance times your annual interest divided by 12, which is 265,000 times 3.5%, divided by 12. And if you've all done that right on your calculator, you should have the answer of £772.91. That means that Richard's monthly mortgage payments on a 3.5% fixed rate interest only mortgage would be £772.91. And that is all that you need to do. Guys, this is also probably the most common calculation question that people get in CeMAP 3. But please remember that you will not get more than 5 calculation questions in all of your CeMAP 3 exam. So what I don't want anyone to do is to spend hours and hours and hours trying to wrap their head around the maths. If maths isn't your strong point, do a little bit of work with this, cut your losses. You still have a 25% chance of guessing the right answer because it is multiple choice. So do your best, go through these videos, have a couple of practice goes, you can write your own scenarios and then put it to bed and focus on everything else, because everything else is really what's going to get you through the exam, whether you're strong with your calculations or not. And that's it. That's another video down. I'll catch you for the next one.